Hello, my name is Michael Leizerman here with the Trial Guide's tip of the day this middle of the week, Wednesday, January 18th, 2023. Today's tip comes from Sari de la Mott's From Hostage to Hero, captivating the jury by setting them free. To create the defendant's story, ask yourself, what did happen? Show the jury what happened by telling the story of the defendant's conduct. Remember to start where you don't have to go back and forth in time and try and tell it from the defendant's point of view. Set the scene and tell the story in present tense. Use dialogue if possible. End the story at the injury or thereabouts. Avoid names, dates, and measurements. Boy, there we see it again. That was in yesterday's tip, and it's in many of the tips. The idea of avoiding dates, specifics, even names. So that's very interesting. The idea that by telling the universalizable story, it will speak to everybody. There's also something else very important in there, the idea of present tense, right? So the way that most often I hear lawyers tell it is, back in the boardroom, the board decided that they would not check on a truck company's safety record before they would hire them. They decided that's for the government to do. I'm just making up something from one of my cases. But instead of decided, how about, how did we get here? Let's go back to the boardroom. Well, do we need to check on the safety rating of these truck companies? No, that would cost us too much money. I move we don't check. Passed. The company decides we will not check the safety history of the truck companies. So you get the idea. Whether or not you understand how truck brokering works doesn't matter. It's the difference between decided and decides. It's the difference between looking back in time versus bringing the back in time to the present and being there with the jury. So I hope I did Sari's example some justice. I think that's what she's getting at. All right. Let us take a deep breath and be grateful to be alive this middle of the week. May we work today to reduce suffering in the world. May we accomplish justice. May we fiercely and compassionately champion our client's story. And may we do so skillfully by following today's tip. At least having that as one of the tools in our tool chest, or whatever metaphor you want to use. It's something that is skillful to use, at least to be aware of. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you it's Wednesday. Wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it. Have a great day.